Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's AXS video update for Sunday 26th of June, and we are looking at AXS making some amazing move to the upside, of course. And right now the technical target is still pending up here to the $21 level, and that hasn't been met just yet. Now what I will say is you've got to be extra careful when you reach the 21 level. Somehow next week, not this week but next week, weekend, the next weekend, is that right? Yeah, the next week, the weekend in the next week, is it, am I saying it right? The week, yeah, the weekend in the next week, oh my gosh, what am I saying? And the next Saturday, Sunday, yeah, that sounds better. The next Saturday, Sunday, you have to be extra careful with AXS when it reaches this level. I do see in the next 5 days we might probably get up here, and that's where you might find resistance and get rejected and maybe start a downtrend once again. Okay, the monthly is still not looking so good, that's something I can say, but who knows. In the next 4 days, we're going to see how Bitcoin behaves, and then we're going to match up Bitcoin with AXS. If you want to watch Bitcoin updates, do watch it regularly on the channel. So I will see something like this happening. You could even be putting in an ascending broadening wedge in the next coming few days. Maybe go up here, come down a little bit, then go up, and then boom, meet the technical target, come down and make this bearish pattern and go all the way down to $16 and continue to go all the way to the downside. Now that's just an idea of how things are. Now what I would like to say is that put a big stop loss at 16.79 right over there. If you do start to take 16.79, that's not a good sign, and from here, guys, you're still looking for AXS to probably make it all the way up to $21-22. And that's it for today's quick update on AXS. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.